Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset the SLT3 transmitter. Well guys, before we get too much further, I just wanted to say thank you very much for stopping in and taking a look at another one of my videos. And if you do benefit from this, please consider giving me a thumbs up and a subscription. That would really help me out. Well, just as the intro said, we're going to reset the SLT3 transmitter we have here. This is a very simple process. Make sure that you have good charged batteries in your transmitter here before we do this. And this is very simple. So we're just going to turn full left. We're going to apply full brake and power on the transmitter. The light will blink, release, and the light will go solid. And that is it. This transmitter is now recalibrated. Well guys, as we wrap up this video, I hope you can see how easy it is to reset the SLT3 transmitter. And if you benefited from this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up, a subscription, and don't forget to hit that bell. I do mention this in all of my videos. If you're not hitting that bell, you're not getting notified when the new content goes up. So make sure you go back and do that for all of your subscriptions. Well, that'll wrap it up for today, and I hope to see you in the next one.